Hello friends, welcome to today's video. So friends, in today's video, we are going to talk about a token that will change your life. You will earn from this on such a big level that you cannot even think about it. It is 100% legal and safe concept. There are many schemes running in the market and there are many tokens, but if you watch this video till the end, then you will understand its power too. This is a lifetime concept, and if you have done this, then you will not need to do any other plan or concept. The token we are going to tell you about today is an Indian token which will compete with Bitcoin in the coming times. Yes friends, we are talking about Unity Meta token, which is an Indian cryptocurrency. Before starting the video, let me tell you some highlights about it. There is no role of any admin in this like Bitcoin. UMT is null address, means creator's power is zero. This is 100% decentralized system. No one can even remove its liquidity. There are null addresses. Liquidity is $21 lakh plus at this time, which is continuously increasing, and this is audited by CertEC. Due to these points, this system will never stop. This is its strength. It has no owner, so no one can shut it down, nor can anyone change the plan or dump the pump in the rate. So friends, Token Sniffer is an AI-based website that does honest reviews of tokens and coins all over the world. The one who reviewed this token, Unity Meta token, and gave it a score of 100 out of 100. This is the future of this token, at what level it is going to go ahead. Binance, which you all know, is an exchange. After all, seeing this token, he has offered to list your token on our exchange. From this, you can guess how genuine these tokens are. It is launched its exchange from Thailand from 3rd June. It is being launched in partnership with UB Global. UB Global is providing $2 billion of liquidity and community, due to which it is going to be the biggest exchange of India so far. And in the coming time, they are preparing to come in the top 10 exchanges of the world. Its supply is less, and in the coming time, in 1 to 2 years around, there is a preparation to take the price of this token from $1 lakh plus in a genuine way. It was launched from $10 in November 2022, and at this time, its highest price has touched $1,100. In the coming time, this is going to reach a very big level too. Now directly if we talk about the complete tokenomics, so the funnel chart has been displayed on your screen, where you can see the total supply, which is of 99,000 UMT, locked are 81,000 UMT, burning is of 9,000, team reserve 3,000 UMT, for pro players reward there are 3,000 UMT, and for bounty rewards 3,000 UMT has been reserved here. The wallets which are supported are MetaMask, Token Pocket, Trust Wallet and SafePal. And with that only, you can know more details about UMT, where Unity Meta token owner is null address. Here 100% LP is burned, 90% supply locked in DXL locker, 0.1% burning on every transaction, and with that only, this is source code, white paper and audit report verified. You can buy or sell fee is less than 0.1%, and the owner or creator contains 0% of liquidity. So there are n numbers of benefits which you are going to get from this platform. And if we talk about the listing of UMT token, so that is already listed on CoinMarketCap, DexTools, PooCoin, CoinHunt, Gco Terminal, CoinPaprika, CoinCodex, CoinSnipper.net, PancakeSwap, ApeSpace, Nomics, Windex, Dex Screener, and on many more. Now directly if we talk about some upcoming projects of the Unity Meta token, so with their upcoming projects as well, they are going to provide you ultimate lifelong benefits. So the upcoming project is the 4A Club, which is the gaming partner of Unity Meta token. Here you will get to see many other features, the details of which has been displayed on your screen. And directly if we talk about the roadmap details, so in October 2022, project was announced. In November 2022, token launch on BSC blockchain, token was listed on PancakeSwap, and the token sales take from PancakeSwap. In December 2022 to January 2023, listing on CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko, ownership re-announced to null address. And with that only, the details of the entire roadmap till November 2024 has been displayed on your screen, where this platform is going to provide you all the amazing benefits. And with that only, you can see the proofs in the form of news and articles, for which all the screenshots has been displayed on your screen. Directly if we talk about the complete business and income plan, so Unity Meta tokens provides you with the benefit of 4 unique types of incomes and many more other benefits, which are the staking rewards, direct referral, level bonus, and in the form of leadership bonus as well. But if you also want to take the benefit of all these types of incomes, so here the registration charges which will contribute to LP are just $3, and the staking packages which are available starts from $50 to $10,000. So once you have selected your desire of staking package, after that the first benefit which you are going to get from here are the staking rewards. So friends, on the amount through which you have done the staking, you will get the staking rewards, where you will get this benefit from the date of activation till 500 days, where you will get 0.40% per day staking rewards. That means 12% monthly staking rewards are the biggest benefit which you are going to enjoy from here. Moving ahead, if we talk about the direct referral income which you can take from this platform, so here the direct level, that is the level 1, here from each of your direct you will get 50% amount up to 500 days. Moving ahead, if we talk about the level income which you can earn from this platform, so you are going to get this benefit from 50 levels, and you will earn this level income up to 500 days, where from level 1 you are going to get certain percentage of staking reward which has been earned by your team. So in level 1 you will get 50% staking reward where you have to do 1 direct. In level 2 you will get 50% to 10% staking reward where you have to do 2 directs, and with that only you need to fulfill one more criteria, that the direct business should be of $3,000 and 5 directs are mandatory within 30 days of ID activation, so that you can enjoy 50% of level income. From level 3 to level 5 you will get 5% in each level where you have to complete 3 directs. From level 6 to level 10 you will get 3% in each level where you have to complete 5 directs. From level 11 to level 30 you will get 2% from each level where you have to complete 10 directs, and from level 31 to level 50 you will get 1% in each level as the level income benefit by the staking reward earned by your team, where you have to complete a total of 15 directs, and that's how you are going to earn this amazing level income from 50 levels up to 500 days as your great benefit. Moving ahead, if we talk about the referral income which you are going to take from this platform with the help of an example. So friends, for example, in your level 1, if person A who is in your team, they have a earning of $120 monthly up to 16.7 months, then your earning is going to be 50% of that amount, which is $60 monthly up to 16.7 months. Similarly, in your same level, that is level 1, when there's a person named B and they had a earning of $120 monthly up to 16.7 months, then your earning is going to be 50% of that amount, that is $60 monthly up to 16.7 months. And that's how the details for all the levels has been displayed on your screen, through which you can get an idea like what a amazing referral income you are going to earn from here, and that too for 500 days. Now directly moving ahead, if we talk about one of the most premium bonus benefit which you are going to get from this platform, so that's the leadership bonus, where up to 7-star rewards will be provided to you by completing certain criterias. So first of all, when your self business is of $500, when you have a direct team of 5 members, when the direct business is of $1,000, when you have a total team business of $10,000 and a total team size of 20 members, where maximum 50% team business will be counted from any of the stronger leg. So if you have achieved all these criterias, then you will get the rank as 1-star reward, and here out of the global turnover 2% will be distributed among all the achievers up to 500 days, plus you will get a laptop worth 25,000 rupees. Similarly, when your self business is of $1,000, direct team of 7 members, direct business of $2,000, total team business of $30,000, and a total team size of 50 members, again from where maximum 50% team business will be counted from the stronger leg, then on achievement of such criteria, here you will get 2-star reward, where from the global turnover 1.5% will be distributed here up to 500 days, plus you will get a MacBook as a grand leadership bonus. Similarly, on the completion of $2,000 of self-business, direct team of 10 members, direct business of $3,000, a total team business of $1 lakh, and on having a total team size of 150 members, here you will be eligible to get the 3-star reward, where out of the global turnover, 1% will be distributed up to 500 days, plus you will get a khud car. Similarly, the details for 4-star, 5-star and 7-star reward has been displayed on your screen, through which you have the grand opportunity to earn certain percentage from the global turnover plus Hyundai Creta, Fortuner plus Maldives trip, and with that only villa in Dubai plus Mercedes C-Class as well. So in order to get the benefit of all these premium, leadership bonus and the rewards, here the details has been displayed on your screen, and you can also be eligible to make your life more and more premium. Now directly we talk about few of the terms and conditions. So minimum withdrawal can be done of $10, deduction will be 5% on every withdrawal, deposit and withdrawal are available in Unity Meta token only, 24/7 withdrawal available, capping is 3 times including all the incomes, and retop up required after capping, P2P is available with no such deduction. So likewise, these were the complete details about this most amazing platform of Unity Meta token, and with that only the details has been displayed on your screen regarding some of the frequently asked questions, so that if you have any such related queries, you can clear that very easily. So if you also want to make your life financially stable and more secure, then today itself you can join yourself with Unity Meta token. In order to get in touch, you can visit the official website, which is www.unitymeta.io or www.unitymeta.finance, and with that only the links of all the social media sites has been displayed in the description. Thank you.